Hi, I'm Dillon with Horizon Adventure Outfitters. This is Red Ranger, our 2022 Ram Promaster camper van, and we're going to give you a tour of the inside.
Check out our custom modern interior with solid walnut countertops, high-density polyethylene cabinetry, as well as a sink, lighting, storage, everything you need. With the Lagoon table, you have a comfortable two-person dinette, or as we like to say, dinner on spinners.
Above the bed here, we have our max fan cooling system for up to 10 degrees of cooling effect inside the van. And over here we have our fancy vintage pipe lamp with USB ports for charging. Up in the driving area, this 2022 van comes with push button start, Bluetooth stereo, and a backup camera. Let's take a look at the back of the van.
This is also our rugged storage area for any of your adventure gear, as well as our standard outdoor shower system. Red Ranger also comes with a panoramic rooftop viewing platform.